Good morning, my dear students. Now I will explain the new chapter Hoysalas of Dwara Samudra. Hoysalas of Dwara Samudra. So, Hoysalas of Dwara Samudra. Hoysalas were the feuderates of Chalukyas of Kalyana. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯರ ಸಾಮಂತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರು. ದ್ವಾರ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಆರ್ ಹಳೇಬೀಡು was their capital. Which is the capital city of Hoysalas means Dwara Samudra. Now it is called Halebeedu was their capital of Hoysalas. Sosayuru or Shashakapura, it was the capital city, first capital city. Later they are made to the Halebeedu capital city. Hoysala's first capital city, Sosayuru or Shashakapura, was the capital city of Hoysalas before. Before means after they established their capital city in Halebeedu. First capital city Sosayuru or Shashakapura. It is in Chikkamangaluru district. So name the two capital cities of Hoysalas. Hoysalas means Halebeedu and Sosayuru or Shashakapura. Next question. Who was the founder of Hoysala dynasty? Sala. One more question. Sala, he was the founder of Hoysala dynasty. What was the emblem of Hoysalas? Means ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಲಾಂಛನ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಳ ಕಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಟೈಗರ್. ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೇಮ್ ದ ರಾಯಲ್ what was the royal emblem of Hoysalas means Sala killing a tiger. So are you understood? I think it was understood. First one, what was the capital city of Hoysalas means Halebeedu. Name the two capital cities of Hoysalas means Sosayuru or Shashakapura and Halebeedu. Who was the founder of Hoysala dynasty means Sala. Name the royal emblem of Hoysalas means Sala killing a tiger. Next, after Vishnuvardhan, this is 5 marks question. Explain the achievements of Vishnuvardhana. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ ಆರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೇವ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೇವ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ. ಈತನ ಮೂಲ ಹೆಸರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೇವ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ. ಈಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 1108 to 1152 CE. Vishnuvardhana, he was very greatest ruler in Hoysala dynasty. He had taken a part of many wars during his brother Ballala's regime. When Ballala, he was the brother of Vishnuvardhana. After Ballala, he gained a lot of experience in the administration as the governor of Nanjanagudu. So Vishnuvardhana, he was appointed as the governor of Nanjanagudu. After he was become a king. His ability and might be become a most powerful king in the South India. After he was become a very powerful king in the South India. His victories. He completely routed the Cholas from Gangavadi in the battle of Talakadu. First he was defeated the Cholas. Cholas means Kanchi. Chola's capital city Kanchi. Cholas from Gangavadi in the battle of Talakadu in 1114 CE. After when he was defeated the Cholas, he got a title Talakadu Gonda. He was doing the battle of Talakadu. ತಲಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೋಳರನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಟಲ್ ತಲಕಾಡು ಗೊಂಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಲಕಾಡು ಗೊಂಡ. ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ತಲಕಾಡು ಗೊಂಡ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಫೀಟೆಡ್ ದ ಚೋಳಾಸ್ in the battle of Talakadu. So he got a title Talakadu Gonda. Talakadu Gonda. In the commemorations of in that memory, so when he was got a title Talakadu Gonda after the victory, he was built a temple, Kirti Narayana temple at Talakadu. After the victory, Vishnuvardhana, he was built a Kirti Narayana temple at Talakadu. And another temple, he was built another temple, Chennakeshava temple at Beluru. Who was built a Chennakeshava temple means Vishnuvardhana in the victory of Cholas, and after Vishnuvardhana built a Chennakeshava temple and Kirtinarayana temple. Kirtinarayana temple he was built at Talakadu, Chennakeshava temple at Beluru. Next, so and then he was issued by the coins in the victory of his contain of his title. So he was issued the coin, and that he was printed the Sri Talakadu Gonda. Later he was conquered the Kongu, Nangali, Nulambavadi and Hanagallu. Vishnuvardhana later he was occupied the Kongu, Nangali, Nulambavadi and Hanagallu. The Malavalli inscription tells us about the uprooted the Cholas from Kolar. ಚೋಳರನ್ನು ಕೋಲಾರ್ನವರೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ. ಲೇಟರ್ he drew the Cholas up to Kanchi after he was on the title ಕಂಚಿಗೊಂಡ. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ ಚೋಳರನ್ನು ಕಂಚಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕಂಚಿಗೊಂಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ he was invaded Madurai and he was defeated the Pandyas. He also defeated the Pandyas of Uchangi and he was marched up to Rameshwara. Vishnuvardhana he was marched up to Rameshwara. In all this campaign of Vishnuvardhana, his commander Gangaraja played an important role. Who was Gangaraja means he was the commander of Vishnuvardhana. Next, Vishnuvardhana attained fame by the driving away Cholas built a Karnataka. Later he was defeated a Kongalvas. Later Vishnuvardhana he was defeated the Kongalva who were ruling at Nidugallu. So after Kongalva king, when Kongalva king he was defeated by the Vishnuvardhana. So Kongalva king he gave his daughter Chandrala Devi. Chandala Devi he was married to Vishnuvardhana. Next, Vishnuvardhana he also defeated the Alupas, Alakeda, and Vishnuvardhana tried to overthrow the overlordship of the Chalukyas of Kalyana. Next to Vishnuvardhana he was defeated by Vikramaditya VI. Vishnuvardhana he was defeated by the Vikramaditya VI in the 1118 CE in the battle of Kannegala. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ ಆರನೇ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೋತೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1118 CE ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನೆಗಾಲ ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ he was defeated by the Vikramaditya VI in the battle of ಕನ್ನೆಗಾಲ. Next, he was completely defeated after the death of Vikramaditya VI. The Someshwara III, he was the next successor of Vikramaditya VI. So next Vishnuvardhana he was invaded up to river Tungabhadra in the north. So next he was won the Hanagallu, Uchangi, Bankapura and Banavasi. After he over Lakkundi. Vishnuvardhana he was died in 1152 CE. Vishnuvardhana, he got a title. 2 marks question. Name the 2 titles of Vishnuvardhana. Means Maleparol Ganda, ಮಹಾಮಾಂಡಲೇಶ್ವರ, ಚಾಳುಕ್ಯಮಣಿ, ಮಾಂಡಲಿಕ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ, ಚಾಳುಕ್ಯಮಣಿ, ಮಾಂಡಲಿಕ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ, ತಪ್ತ ಪದ್ಮೋಪಜೀವನ, ಮಲೆಪರೋಳ್ಗಂಡ, ಕಂಚಿಗೊಂಡ and ತಲಕಾಡುಗೊಂಡ. These are the important titles of ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ 2 ಬಿರುದುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಾಮಾಂಡಲೇಶ್ವರ, ಚಾಳುಕ್ಯಮಣಿ, ಮಾಂಡಲಿಕ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ, ಪದ್ಮೋಪಜೀವನ, ಮಲೆಪರೋಲ್ ಗಂಡ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 5 marks question, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ, explain the achievements of the Vishnuvardhana ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is very important question. Thank you my dear students.